Hello everyone, have you got a Toyota and it makes this clicking noise when you open the door? Basically, as you can see, the check strap has broken on here, so there's a bit of play just there. Have a look. Can you see that? Okay, so what I need to do is obviously there's a bolt there. Let's have a look at what that is. Looks like a 10mm, and then there's a couple of bolts there. And in order to get that out, just got to take this door card off first. Should be straightforward enough. So it's a case of taking this out here. Sorry, I can't do it now. But anyway, take that off. There's a little screw behind there, and then there's a couple of screws here, and then this should just pop out. But I'm gonna try and do a little cheat where I just literally pop it out on the sides here, and I'll see if I get enough leverage. If I don't, then I'm gonna have to do it like that there. Okay, so I couldn't get access by just popping those there, so I will have to take the whole door card off. So what I've done, as you can see, there's that thing there. I just pulled against there and it popped out, and then there it reveals the little Phillips screwdriver, and then the cover there, I used this trim removal tool, just wedged it underneath, pulls it towards me, and there it is, popped out nicely. Then there's a further 2 screws there, one in there, one in there. So once I've done that, should be able to open this up. So I've managed to get the door card off now. So ideally you want to take off the central locking connectors there, but I'm gonna, because I've got enough access, I'm gonna be lazy and leave it. So I've got it resting on there so that it doesn't put too much strain on that one. So there you go. So I've just pulled this shrouding out of the glue, so it's stuck on the glue there. Now I've got access in that little space, so all I have to do is undo these bolts and slide that out through this gap here, and it's as simple as that. And I've got the replacement one here. Let me show you. There you go. Alright, so let's get on with it. Okay, so I fitted everything back in. The screws there, and a little cover there. One little thing I did come a cropper on is the replacement is an aftermarket one, and it didn't come with the can you see the 2 10mm bolts there? And so I couldn't get it off the old one, so I just had to go off to the DIY store and get a couple of 10mm screws and bolt, and there you have it, and it's sorted. Now, moment of truth. Does it still click, or is it all good? There you go. Look at this. No more clicking. Oh, excuse the mess. I'm just prepping the car for sale. Look, interior's nicely cleaned up. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. Whoever gets this, hope they like it. Polished it up and everything. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.